if you want to set up eBay account for dropshipping, then this video is for you. So if you want to dropship from Amazon or Walmart or AliExpress or any e-commerce website, this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you a lot of things in this video that will really help you. I have been doing eBay dropshipping for for 4 years, so I know, guys, what I'm talking about. So the first thing, guys, to set up eBay account for dropshipping is you need to click on your account. As you can see here, if you move your mouse to your account, you will see here the number of feedback you have. So I would highly suggest having at least 10 feedback so that people will trust you guys to buy from you. So these feedbacks, they don't need to come from buyers. You just need to buy something that costs like $1, less than $1, and so that these sellers will they will leave a feedback for your account, and then that will count as a feedback, and at least 10. So I would always, whenever I start a new account, I always buy 10 products so that I can get 10 reviews on my account. So that's the first thing you need to do. So after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, you want to move your mouse to my eBay and then click summary. So after, guys, you click on summary, you want to click on account, as you can see. So after you click on account, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on seller dashboard. So after you click on seller dashboard, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on preferences, as you can see, and this is very important. Listings stay active when you are out of stock. So this means you have to activate this, because if you are selling an item and someone buys it, it's going to be removed from eBay completely. But if you enable this feature, you can always add 1, 2, like you can add quantity to that listings. I hope it makes sense. So you can easily add, for example, if you have added 3 and they are sold, the listing won't be removed from eBay. You don't have to list it again from scratch. eBay will leave it there. You just need to increase the quantity. For example, it's going to be 0. You need to increase it, for example, to 1 or 3 or 4, whatever you want. So I hope, guys, it makes sense. So what I suggest, guys, if you are trying to do eBay dropshipping, like I said, is to get 10 feedback. This is very important. It really helps with sales and people will trust you more. So yeah, you don't really need a lot of things. That's it. After you start, after you click on sell, you will have to start listing the products that you are going to sell. After you click on for example, let's start something here. After you try, guys, to sell, you will ask you guys to add your credit card. That's very important. You just need to add your credit card so that you can get whenever you have fees that you have to pay, eBay will take that from your credit card. Okay, hope it makes sense. So that's exactly what you need. If you have any question or anything, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I have a lot of experience with eBay dropshipping. I can explain to you guys in the comments everything. So drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.